Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by eliminating easy causes. Verify game files in the launcher and confirm the install isn't corrupted. Once done, update your GPU drivers and Windows to ensure compatibility, because outdated drivers commonly cause freezes. Make sure to close overlays and background recorders, as they compete for GPU and CPU resources. You'll also reduce mods and custom configs for now. These first actions isolate the problem quickly, so you can tell whether it's the game, drivers, or an external application causing Rust to freeze. Next, you perform the detailed execution. Lower in-game graphics and disable VSync to reduce stutter from frame pacing. Then add targeted launch options to the game launcher to stabilize memory allocation. This helps when the engine mismanages RAM. While running, monitor CPU, GPU, and temperature with a tool like MSI Afterburner so you can see spikes that coincide with freezes. If you notice one core pegged or thermal throttling, make sure to address cooling or background threads that are stealing cycles from the game. To finish, you'll run final corrective steps. Backup configs and reinstall Rust only when necessary, because reinstall solves corrupted installs but is time-consuming. Once reinstalled, test the game in a clean Windows user profile or safe boot to rule out a user-level conflict. If the freeze still happens, collect game logs and Windows Event Viewer entries, then submit them to support with your hardware details. Troubleshooting tip: if freezes occur only with a specific map or mod, disable that content first. Mods are often the root cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.